In this video, we'll show you how to access iPhone notes on your computer using iCloud, email, or a third-party tool for quick and easy transfer. Method 1. Access iPhone notes on PC with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS lets you connect your iPhone to a computer to transfer photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, notes, and more. Step 1. Install and launch Assistant for iOS on your computer, then connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cord. Tap Trust on your phone if prompted and hit Continue to move ahead. Then, you can see the main interface of the program like below. Step 2. Choose Notes tab from the left sidebar, and the program will start to scan your iPhone to find all notes saved in your iPhone. All scan out notes will be displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Tick off the notes that you need and click the option of Export from the top menu to save these selected notes to computer. After that, you can access and view these iPhone notes on computer directly. Method 2. Transfer notes from iPhone to PC via email. Open the Notes app, select the note, and tap the share icon. Choose Mail, enter your email, and send it. On your computer, check your email and download the note. Method 3. View iPhone notes on PC with Gmail. Go to Settings, Passwords and Accounts, Add Account, Google, and Login. Turn on Notes to sync. On your computer, log into Gmail and view your notes under Notes in the menu. Method 4. Access iPhone notes on PC with iCloud. Steps to access your notes on your computer using iCloud. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top and go to iCloud. Find Notes and make sure it's turned on. On your computer, open a web browser and visit left bracket iCloud.com right bracket opening parenthesis https://www.icloud.com. Sign in with the Apple ID you use on your iPhone. Once signed in, tap Notes to view all your iPhone notes on your computer.